Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of these Chalkola chalk markers. Now this is the 30 count set. It's the 1mm extra fine tip option. I absolutely love their chalk markers. They are incredible and I've been using them for a few years now because I like creating little chalkboards for my son's birthday parties. So I have like their big ones, I have their regular size options, and they are truly wonderful. So I'm going to get this popped open and show you guys the colors that you get. You can see all of those awesome colors there. You have a mixture of earthy, more subtle tones, and then you have bright neon colors. So truly a wonderful mix of options. These are going to be removable from non-porous surfaces, so chalkboard, glass, maybe acrylic and plastic, metal even, but you can always use these on porous objects as well and just have permanent artwork. Now, as I mentioned before, I love creating little custom chalkboards for my son's birthday parties, just as a backdrop or as a custom piece and prop. So these are going to be perfect for adding that touch of fine detail throughout. And I just use a bigger marker for larger areas or if I need to shade something in that's on the bigger side. Now, to get these ready for use, you just want to give it a shake, making sure that the pen is facing upright. You'll see that the tip is dry and you're going to press that tip in to release pressure. And then you're going to point it upside down. Now you can do this on your working space, but because my chalkboard is upright, I'm going to use a little paper plate here. And you're just going to press that tip in until it starts to fill with color. And you'll see it start to come down. And it just takes a few little presses and then it is ready to go and you can use it on whatever you're creating. Now, when it comes to removing these, for the most part, water is going to do a bulk of the work. They do, however, make a cleaning kit that is amazing. It's like a two-step process with a cleaning spray and then kind of like a magic eraser, and that works like a charm. So you can see how easily these write, they're very smooth, and the color payoff is absolutely beautiful. So these are definitely a lot of fun to use and they're certainly easy to use. So if you are looking for some wonderful quality chalk markers, this is a great choice. I think you would love this set and you're gonna get loads of colors. So I would definitely give these a try.